guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial with the new 2024 Powerful Life Planner. Today we are going to talk about the stickers. This planner is coming with over 300 stickers and templates in PNG files and Goodnotes Elements collection files. And I want to show you how you can download them, how you can install them, and how to use them. As always, we need our download file first. And that is this file here. And when we go back to our index, we will see install Goodnotes stickers. When you click on this, you will come to the instruction, and you will also find the links for the stickers. So you have PNG files and Goodnotes Elements. And even if you're just using Goodnotes Elements, I'd recommend to download the PNG files because this folder also has the PNG templates. So we are going to download both by clicking on the link. And when you open the link, you will get to an download Dropbox browser window here. So I'm going to click on download. And I will do the same with Goodnotes Elements. And it's asking me again. And I say yes, I want to download it. And now I will go back to my download folder, which is here. And if you're using Android, you will also find these files in your download folder. Just a quick info, Goodnotes Elements might not work on your Android tablet. So to use both of them, we need to tap on the zip files to get the folders. And now we have a folder called Element Collection. And you can see that we have plenty of different collections here. We have daily widgets, boxes, goals and trackers and all the things. And I would say we are going to start with, for example, daily widgets. So we click on this, on the top, click on the arrow here. And let's say open with Goodnotes. And now you can see that it's automatically showing us the collection, and we have all the customers here. And you can change the name if you want to, and after everything is all right, you click on create. This can take a while depending on, I don't know. This can take a while. And now when we are going back to our planner, you can click on the elements file here, or the elements icon. And now you will see your daily widgets here. So the newest element collection is always at the first place here. And now you can see we have daily widgets. We can also open them in split screen to have a better overview of the widgets inside. And when you want to use them, you just go, for example, to our day. Let's say 1st of January. And now I can choose something. And I want to go with today's wins. And I just drag and drop, and we have the elements here. And now you can resize it to, the size you want. Let's say like this. And that's how it works. Let me show you again, just to ensure we all got it. So let's go back to health and check-ins. Click on the arrow, open with Goodnotes. It's asking you to create a new collection. Click on create. It will take a while. And now you will find the collection here. And again, let's say we want to use the health check-in, drag and drop, resize, and voila, you have another widget. So that's how the element collection works, but you can also use the PNGs. And I'm going to open the split screen now. Let's go back to PNGs, and you will find the same widgets that are in the collection and the element collections here. And we will also have templates. You can see 25 templates are inside here. And now we might want to use a different daily option. So let's click on daily option number 1. This has a morning and evening routine instead of a big schedule. And when you're using templates, I always recommend to copy and paste them with the arrow because the quality is way better. And I'm going to show you, so you see what I mean. So this is drag and dropped. So I just, dragged it and dropped it. And now I'm going to open the same and I will click on copy. I click on paste and we have the same layout. But as you can see, the quality is a bit better here than here. So when I zoom in very deep, I see that this has more pictures than this. It's not that big, but the bigger the templates are, the bigger the difference is for the quality. Okay, let's try again. I'm on a weekly page now and I want to use a different weekly. So I click on weekly box and I click on copy. Let's make it a bit smaller here. Paste. And now I have a different weekly inside. And you can also drag and drop, but the quality is just better with copy and paste. So now we need to resize it. And voila, we have a new template here. And that's how the PNG files are working. And you can also use the stickers if you want to. So if you prefer PNG files, you can also use the stickers here. So let's go to style number 1. We can click on the icon so we see a bit more. And now let's say we are going to have a meeting. So drag and drop. And now you also have the PNG files or the stickers in your planner in that way. Yeah, and that's how the stickers are working. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope that this was helpful for you and we will see us in another video. Bye.